My name is Barb Hush. I'm from the Door County Library at the Forestville branch in Forestville, Wisconsin. And I've been doing some crafts this month, which is the month of March, that are cat themed. So I read a couple of books that were posted on our website, and I also have done one other kitten craft, but today we're going to do a different kitten craft, and this one is a kitty hat for your child. And I just thought he was really cute. So what you need, what you would need to make him is a piece of paper like this, and then this is just a 3-inch strip, 2 of them, cut from the bottom of this page. So you would take 2 pieces of paper and cut 3-inch strips right there, and then I put them together with a stapler. Now if you want to use glue or tape, that's fine also. And then the face is a circle. Actually it's a semicircle, and it's 6.5 by 5 for the face. And then there's a little semicircle right here for the little facial part right here. And then you would cut out some whiskers right there, 2 eyes, and then I cut out a little piece of yellow just to go in the center, and I took a magic marker and I made some little pupils, and I cut out a nose, and then this is a little smile that I put on there, and then here are the ears. There's first the gray and then the yellow piece. So you need 2 ears, 2 yellow pieces, this semicircle for the main face, this smaller semicircle for the yellow part, a nose which is an oval, 2 black eyes that are circles with the little diamond shapes inside, and whiskers. So basically you need, to make him look just like this, you need a gray piece of paper, you need yellow paper, and you need black paper. So you need 3 types of paper. And I think 1 sheet of each should be enough to make 1 mask. And I thought this would be really cute for someone to do at a birthday party, or anytime kids are bored or a group of kids are getting together. So this is my kitty hat. There he is. All right, I hope you like him. Meow. And if you want a pattern like this, if you're not good at making your own pattern from my design here, just call me up at the Forestville Library and I can get together a pattern for you so that you can make your own kitty hats. All right, happy crafting. Bye, have a good day.